Hello all, Tony here. Well, what a week it's been. In the US, we're seeing both the S&P and the Dow Jones trading lower, reflecting the ongoing anxiety over the Middle East conflict, which has seen the crude oil price surge by an eye-popping 18.5% this week, stoking fresh inflation fears and quashing Fed rate cut hopes. Closer to home, the ASX 200 has really felt the pain emerging from the conflict in the Middle East. It's currently down over 4% for the week and on track for its worst weekly performance since June 2022 as investors move to the safety of cash, compounded by a hawkish RBA, as Governor Bullock this week emphasised that each and every board meeting coming up is live for a possible rate hike. Looking ahead to next week, the Middle East conflict will remain the primary driver of markets, and it is expected to last weeks, if not longer. Beyond that, traders will watch Australia's Consumer Confidence Index, which is expected to fall for a straight fourth month, and China's inflation numbers, or rather the lack thereof. In the US, attention turns to the Fed's preferred inflation measure, the core PCE price index, especially after last month's upside surprise, all while digesting the fallout of tonight's non-farm payrolls report. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more market updates ahead.